Welcome guys to DJ Vincent TV, and today I want to show you how you can block or stop a software or a program from your computer from accessing the internet. So what will you do if you want to protect perhaps this anyway you don't want a software or a program in your computer to access the internet, or maybe you don't want it to continue updating itself. So what you do is go to the start menu. You can even just search firewall, or simply start typing firewall is, or another way you can just go to the control panel and control panel. Control panel, if you're in Windows 7 or what, and inside here there's system and security, then you'll find the Windows Defender Firewall, allow app through Windows Firewall, something like that. So that is it. After opening to open this window, so on this window to outbound. So for a software to connect, it is outbound, and then from a server to connect your computer is an inbound. So you will set the outbound rules for the software. So just click on the outbound rules, then you come here to new rule. From the new rule, you choose program, and then you browse to that your software that you don't want to accept the internet. So let's say I don't want any, let's say I don't want Sony Acid Pro 7. So I just go to Sony 7, open, so it is okay, then you go next, and then you make sure you block the connection. It cannot be there, but it's allow the connection, but always block the connection. Next, make sure all the three domain private and public boxes are checked, and you click next. Then you're gonna give it a name. Let's say like that one was Sony, you can say Sony 7. The name does not affect anything, and just finish. So from now it cannot access the internet, but then perhaps you don't want the internet, the Sony servers to access your software. So you now also set an inbound rule. So you go to the inbound rule, add a new rule, then you go to the program, then you browse the program. Now you choose a program like it was this, say open, next, and then I make sure you choose block the connection, next, make sure all the three are checked, next, and give it a name, maybe Sony inbound. So why are you giving it this name, finish, is now for you to get it in this list of inbound rules. Anything that is blocked here, so you can delete it, or you can disable that rule because you know the name. Any of it that you know the name. There might be very many of them, but now how will you get it if you don't rename it? That's why we're giving it the name. So thank you guys for watching my video. Just free to close. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Love you.